If you want to learn video editing, enroll in this course. In this course, you learn the stock media, how to use a free stock media in a video software like in Filmora, right? How to use the free audio in your video editing, the sound effect, right? The memes, and how to use the titles in your video editing, how to use the transition, all type transition, popular, zoom, speed blur, and how to use the effects, the video effects, right? How to use the stickers in your video, right? Apply this sticker in your video, change your background, chroma key, click on it and your background will be changed, right? You also use free stock footages in your background, click here and your background video will be changed. You also use free audio from here in background. You also click on stock media and then click on library, and from here you choose the background colors, background footages, intros, right? I have already downloaded some for you. Now I edit this background, right? So drag and drop and the background of video will be changed, right? We also use the transition, the effects, right? So we use this effect on our video, drag and drop, and this effect will be applied to our video. We also use these stickers, right? YouTube subscribe. So drag and drop from here and play it and then click on it, and from here reset your subscribe button from here. We also use the titles, click on titles and then the trending titles, the new titles, right? And then click on it, the plain text, the 3Ds, the lower third, subtitles, the word art, openers. From here click on it, download this intros, this opener, right, and use it. I have already some downloaded, right, and from here you click on it and use this text in your video, then click on it and from here change it. From here you reset it, drag and drop, again click on it, right, and then play it. From here you also use the stickers, right, all type stickers, social media, arrow, like buttons, heart button, subscribe button, thunder, birthday button, all type of button. You also search it, right? And from here you also use the templates. In templates you also use the split screen, right? And from here you also use the template cinematic, logo reveal, YouTube intro or your video intro, business, subscribe, right? And then click on the download button and your video and your subscribe animation will be downloaded from here. You also use media, it is the recommended media, it is the sound effect, right? I first deleted this background and from here I uncheck my video voice, right? From here I increase my dB, right, and then I check the sound effect. First I downloaded it, now I apply it, right? From here the memes, then for example I drag and drop and I forward the playhead and now click on it. From here you also downloaded this memes, so I check it, what is this, then drag and drop and use your project. So from here you also use the stock media, the pixel, and from here you choose the color, in which color photo you want, right? And from here you choose the orientation, landscape, portrait. It is downloaded and now we use in our projects. So it is download, now we use it, and from here you save it, save the projects, right? So it is saved and from here we export it and our video will be exported to our folder From here you choose the higher, right, and now click on export, and our video will be exported, right. If you want to create this type of project and want to learn video editing right in a best way, so enroll in this course, and this course is for you.